when you're casting a big heavy streamer, especially with a 5-weight rod. I've got a 5-weight rod, maybe not the best streamer rod, it'll work, but it's not gonna be pretty. When you put on a big heavy streamer, or any heavy rig for that matter, a big strike indicator, it's not gonna be pretty. You're not gonna make those beautiful fluid false casts. You're gonna have to flop it out there. So there's a couple tricks. One is keep your leader short and relatively stiff, number one. Number two is don't false cast unless you have to. Maximum of 2 false casts. The more that big heavy fly is blowing around out there, the more chance it is it's gonna go in a place you don't want it to go. When you're casting a big heavy fly like this, especially with a lighter rod, you wanna use what's called a Belgian cast. And a Belgian cast is to come over with a low back cast and then drive the rod down as you would on a regular forward cast. So come in low, and coming in low keeps you out of the wind, and then you just lob it out there. So again, it's not pretty. It's not gonna look like river runs through it, but it'll get it out there, and it'll get it out there safely.